We're there with Just Fox and we're there only for spit. Just the Fox, you see me, people? So Mackerel back at it again, people. Yeah, Mackerel just make a little post and say people man get take away. And guess who it is? Marvin the Beast. Yes, I don't know, so this will cause worries with Nikisha and Marvin, you know. Yeah, man, you know, say Nikisha a warrior. And Nikisha go all out for defend fear, man. So Mackerel better mind what she do. You see me? I rub down Marvin chest and I say, yeah, our new man this. So now watch the video for yourself, people.
Never put no money up. Relax now. Sure, rub it down. Like everybody say.
Like one of the first woman who sorry girl.
Big up a new girl, Mackerel.
Always, last time.
And all these things.
They're not going to pick on a match.
No.
Yeah.
Let's take any money I want. Yeah. Make sure you come home to me.
Oh my God, wait, that always cool to you.
And all these things. Yeah, Mackerel. Good body, Mackerel.
I'm so young, you know, man, I'm going to you know, I disturb you, I'm a new man.
Goody, goody, take with people, man. Goody, goody, take with people, man.
So there you have it, people. And the one Marvin him love support the little foolishness more while, you see, man. Yeah, I talk about all these things. I use Mackerel slang and a boy, oh boy. Yeah, man, you don't know the thing goes still, people. I just fun and beer vibes, you see me? Yeah, man, but you don't know, I just Fox. We don't know how Marvin girlfriend feel about the situation if she see this. You should have really take offense to it, or she just know, say, I just fun thing. Just entertainment. Yeah, man, remember say Marvin the Beast, entertainment the man they deal with. And if him woman have a problem with him, I jump up on woman back and dive off on woman. There's no way me I go see she have a problem with Mackerel. Yeah, man. So Mackerel just a go on endorse the street and I go on have fun again and I try do her little thing same way, you see me? Yeah, people, no big up on yourself. It's a quick one. Just Fox, I'm out.
Pull a shirt on my damn shot. Tight jeans with the damn clocks. On the road we a bruff. We no drink out a cup that we pop cup.